Hi friends, today continue lesson polynomial. What are the polynomials? Polynomial is in X is an expression containing the sum of finite numbers of terms of the form ax power of n for a real numbers a, where a not equal to 0 and whole number n. Polynomial, not polynomials. 2x polynomial, 4x power of 1 by 2, not polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Recall that if p of x is a polynomial in x, the higher power of x in p of x is called the degree of polynomial. P of x, example, 3x plus 5 is a polynomial in the variable x. It is a polynomial of degree 1 and is called a linear polynomial. 5x root 2y plus 5, 1 by 3 p, m plus 1, etc. are some more linear polynomial. So polynomial degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example, x square plus 5x plus 4 is quadratic polynomial in the variable x. Try these problems. Generally we say p of x equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus a n minus 1 x plus an is a polynomial of nth degree in variable x is where a naught a1 so on an minus 1 an are real coefficient of x and a naught equal to 0. So value of polynomial. Consider the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 2 of x minus 3. What is the value of the polynomial at any value of x? For example, x equal to 1. Substituting x equal to 1 in the polynomial, we get p of 1. Value of polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. X equal to 1. So p of 1, 1 square minus 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 5 minus 4. Then the value is minus 4. Obtaining the replace x in the given polynomial p of x equal to minus 4. The value of x square minus 2x minus 3 at x equal to 1. Try this problem. 0 of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. What are the values of polynomial? P of x, x square minus 2x minus 3 at x equal to 3, minus 1 and 2. So try these problems. So we see that p of 3 equal to 0 and p of minus 1 equal to 0. Zeros of the polynomial. 2 is a not 0 of p of x since p of 2 not equal to 0. More generally, real numbers k is said to be a 0 of polynomial. P of is p of k equal to 0. Try this, do these problems. Thank you friends. Today మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చేసుకోండి. టుడే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ మీ, షేర్ మీ, సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.